Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Happy Wednesday. It is January 28th. Wednesday, January 28th, and today is the first court date for 2026. If y'all had watched a couple of vlogs months ago, you know, I was a victim of a rental scandal, and I have been going to court from 2025. So now it's our first court date. By the way, we did have a court date in when did Melissa came to Jamaica? Was it October? Yeah, so Melissa came to Jamaica. The hurricane came and, you know, canceled the court date. So yeah, I have my court date for today. I'm really hoping for some good news. I'm really hoping I'm gonna be getting some money in my pocket today. That's what I'm praying for. So it's currently just 2 of us left to be paid out. Really hoping the other party, including the bank and the bank's lawyer, set them off with the money, you know. So hoping and praying. I will give you guys an update. I'm basically in Burger King line right now. I'm hungry. It's 9:52. Court opens at 10 a.m. in the morning, but the food I have to eat, and you know, based on, you never know when your case is gonna be called up. You just have to just be there and they call you. But I sent a message in our group between me, the other parties, plus the detective in charge of the case, and let them know, hey, just buzz me. I'm sitting there. I'm also working. I didn't take the time off today because it doesn't make sense to take the time off, because like I say, I can bring my laptop into court while I sit outside and work. Yeah, that's that. But I'm just really hoping we get some money today. If we get money today, guys, and I see me coming out with Kerrian smile, that's what you see on my face. But nonetheless, I will keep you guys updated. To be frank, I don't think this is a last court date for me, but I'm gonna give you I'll give you as much info as I can currently, because remember it's still an ongoing case. Anyways, that's that. Hello, good morning. May I have a number 1, please? Can I have fries instead of the harsh brown?
Please, egg and cheese?
Yes, please.
With hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Yes, please. I need to service my card soon. I'm gonna do that next week. What I was supposed to say, I was looking at the quality on the thing right now, and it doesn't look that clear. I'm wondering because, well, it's overcast right now, so it seems that it's gonna be raining. There's no sun out, very overcast. Watch here. I just seen 2 drops already a while ago. Yes, I'm not sure how this quality is gonna be looking, guys. I'm telling you from now. Oh, I did wipe off the camera and everything, but I don't know, I don't like how it looks. By the way, updates on my mouse. I have a maintenance tomorrow, Thursday. So what I was about to say, guys. Sorry, I got a message a while ago, but I remember. Anyways, can you believe it's January is basically ending in a couple days? It's just wild. It's absolutely wild. I can't believe it's raining. I should have worn sneakers. And then based on where I'm gonna park, I have to walk. What? No. By the way, I need to buy sneakers. Who shop at Nordstrom Rack? Because we're gonna need some sneakers. I'm gonna need some Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger sneakers are so cheap on Nordstrom Rack. Yeah. Anyways, it's me up next. Look for more money. I'm going to see you guys later because I don't know. I know I don't have much space on my phone either way to be chatting. So when court done, I'll keep you updated. Yeah, guys. So court is finished. Basically nothing. You know, we don't reach anywhere. We're still back at where we were. So homegirl, her lawyer wasn't present. So nothing couldn't really go on. It is what it is. And we'll just have to wait. So the court date isn't within the next few months, the next one. So I just gotta wait. I just gotta wait on that and hope for the best next time that I get some coins in my pocket. You know, that's all that matters at this time. But anyways, I am here, guys. I'm just gonna do some errands and then later I'm heading out to a soca party. Yes, I'm going to a soca party on a Wednesday. Carnival is approaching April. The carnival events are just gonna start popping up in February, and that's how we're gonna be for the next few months. Okay. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you later when I'm going on the road, guys. So I just stopped at the supermarket to just grab some stuff. I'm gonna heading right now. I'm not gonna take you guys with me, but guess what? I went ahead and picked up. So because I had to ask somebody to bring some stuff for me from overseas, so I had asked them to bring it for me, and bam, guys, a watch. I'm gonna have to like do an unboxing, but I feel like I want to open it now. I'm opening this shit right now. You know how long I've been wanting a watch, y'all, from these people? Like their watches are like $500, right? And they went on sale. They went on sale the other day. They had a sale the other day. Yo, this box is so cute. No, mommy, I forgot to unbox this. Guys, we forgot to look at unboxing because I'm so nervous. I want to get it. Oh my god, it looks so good. Guys, let me see if we can. Oh my god, like I am so freaking excited. Oh my god, I've been wanting a JBW watch for centuries. Like, look at the bling on my finger. Guys, I'm gonna go get it. Thing there. Yo, the bling. Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh my god, I can't believe I finally got a JBW watch. Like, guys, JBW is so like their watches. Like, I was gonna get a Movado watch, but I had to get a JBW first. Like, I had to have a JBW watch first. Oh my god, this thing is so freaking cute. Yeah, this shit is cute as hell. Oh my god, and the box, guys, that it came into, it's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited for myself. Like, I finally got me a watch that I really wanted. I'm so excited. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put it back and fix it up back in the box. Then I'm gonna do like an unboxing for sure, and I want to tag them too to make them know, say, hey, hello, I finally purchased something from them, because I always like comment on their posts because their watches are like that good. JBW, y'all, check them out. They were on sale the other day for like 60% off, $500 off and 60% off, y'all. Like, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. We're gonna head to the supermarket now, like I said, and then after that we're coming back, do a little unboxing. We'll make an unboxing of the car. Shit. Yeah, because the jewelry store is I'm in Twin Gates Plaza, and the jewelry store that I normally go, and the watch adjustment is literally over there still. So may I go do an unboxing in the car, tag them on my social media, and then I sort it out. Okay. Alright, it's time to go. Guys, look at the watch. It is so gorgeous. Like, oh my god. yeah, so I finished with the supermarket, so I'm just gonna head over to the jewelry place right now and have them adjust it for my tiny little hands. Hey guys, so of course the girl is running late. Don't mind my bed, it's filthy. But I wanted to just quickly show you guys the fit wearing this top. This bag that I had showed you guys that I got from the Real. It matches my top. I didn't even realize, and I'm wearing white skirt and white sneakers. It is a soca event that I'm going, so just wanted to get dressed cash and comfortable. So yeah, this is the fit. Let's get into it. And I like how I'm gaining back weight, which I love. The only thing is I just need to ensure that my belly does not gain the weight as well, which my belly already has weight. So I have to try to do a balance, and the only balance I feel that will help me is exercise. So after April, we're hitting the gym. For now, I really just need to just incorporate some home exercises and just have my body rolling, because the girl is getting old. I'm gonna be 36 in a month. Getting to it. Anyways.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. But I think I remember they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, honey, pockets riding. Got it. I go to space.
So let me start off by saying I was not gonna vlog tonight. Okay, I wasn't. I think the last time y'all saw me when I was at the soca event. Yeah, that was last night. So today is Thursday. It's a new day, a new night, and one of my friends had invited me out to this Afro thing. Yeah, I know I saw Afro on it, so I'm just gonna stay for probably like 2 hours. It's moving on to almost. By the way, my watch is giving. Hold on, yeah, I can't see. Hold on. My watch, my JBW watch that I've been wanting forever, is giving. Okay. I like when my watch falls down on my hand like that. So yeah, sometimes I like it when it's like fully stay on my hand, and sometimes I like it when it falls like this. Yeah. So hold on, focus phone. Yeah, so they invited me out, so I'm just gonna go out for a bit, and I wanted to show you the foot. Very cash, this oversized Fashion Nova top, this Calvin leggings, and the Amazon kitten heels. I forgot. First of all, I told you already the last time, said initially when I unbox it, but that's never like it, but by wearing it out so often, like it's giving. So I'm gonna cop another one in gold. I don't really wear silver, to be frank, but I'm gonna cop one in silver too on Amazon. Just click on my Amazon friend in the link in the description and y'all will see. So yeah, this is the cute vibe. Very relaxing. I won't be like vlogging much, but yeah. And by the way, this weekend I do have a funeral to attend to this Saturday. I'm not sure if anything's gonna keep tomorrow night, Friday for the funeral, but yeah, we won't be going out tomorrow night. I'm just saying, because we got funeral Saturday, and then Sunday I have another event to go to. But anyways, let me hurry up and head out, because I won't be staying on the road long. The latest I'm gonna get in probably by 11:30 midnight. So yeah. Oh, I'm gonna wear the blue bag as well that I bought. The secondhand blue bag to just give it a pop of color. Anyways, yeah, we outside. I will see. Oh, and no makeup, bare face. Last night I did put on a little makeup, but tonight we're not. I don't have any time. When I get home to remove all of that. So yeah. And like I said, I love how I'm putting on back weight. Like, I love to see my hips them come out. They're tiny, but I like to see my hips then come out. Imagine me going to the gym. Don't worry, it's on our list. Anyways, let's head out. I'm talking too much.
Hearing you play in the evenings.
It's a Sunday. And let me give you a story of what happened with my phone. Guys, if I don't get a phone within the next few months, something is wrong with me. So I had this whole video plan to do a get ready with me and all of that shenanigans. I was going to, speak about something specifically that happened. And I put it on the tripod, the magnetic one. Magnetic. Okay? Put it on it. Within a couple seconds, it fell. My phone fell off it. And then the top of my phone, like, it separated. The top and the bottom separated. So I literally had to push in back my phone so it clicked together. And then when that happened, it was still working. Amen. But guess what wasn't working? The camera. When I opened the camera, y'all, it was dark, like black out. Nothing was happening. I was like, I can't believe this is happening. The girl needs to get a phone. Anyways, so obviously I didn't get to record, and I didn't want to record on the other phone that I have, which was I think it's an iPhone 7 or 6. The camera is just not giving on that phone. Okay, we all know how iPhones are. After a while, it's outdated. The camera just don't give anymore. So I'm not gonna record with that. So yeah, I didn't record. And then when I reached the party, I was telling one of my friends about it. And then I opened the camera about to show him, and then the camera started working. Tell me, the good thing is the camera is still working. So this is what I'm talking to you on. I'm talking to you guys on my 12 Pro Max. We're gonna get a phone. Now, this is the issue. I want to get the DJI, which is, call it 700 USD. The phone that I want to get costs around that. Like, that's $1,400. That's literally a whole trip to Panama, to DR. That's a whole trip, guys. $1,400. $1,400. I just put a few more dollars on that. I can get a couple days in Panama. I can buy the DJI in Panama. What? But I can't. I have to get a phone because it's this phone. Listen, this phone that I have has so many lives, and I'm so thankful for it. The amount of times that I drop it, the amount of times I fix it. Y'all do. I know if you have been watching my channel, y'all know when my phone isn't working because I come and tell you guys about it. And tell you how much money I pay for it and stuff like that. Like, the amount of money that I spent on the phone, it's probably around, I would have been able to purchase a brand new phone, get an iPhone 15 Pro Max too, with the amount of money I spent on this 12 Pro Max to fix the screen, everything. Guys, I'm ranting about my phone, but I'm happy it is still working because I have to laugh. I literally have to laugh. Well, thank you, phone. I appreciate you so much for sticking and staying with me. And don't worry, I'm gonna upgrade you soon. It's just that, and obviously, I'm gonna have to buy the phone first. I can't buy the DJI first because, say for example, if my cell phone falls, what I'm gonna use? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we do have a plan. We're gonna sort it out. I was planning to buy my phone for my birthday because I can, bite, but I'm thinking to do something else, you know? Like, but I'm gonna sort it out. So but just don't want somebody come at me a phone like, guys, I don't want to spend so much money on a phone. Like, I don't want to spend $800 on a phone. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't want to spend my own money. Like, I don't. Like, I literally could have bought a phone this month still, and I'm not gonna lie. But it's like I'm holding out. You know when I just don't want to spend the money, like I'm holding out. And the next thing is I wanted to get the DJI, you know. So that's like the next reason why I'm holding out. But anyways, yeah. When I upgrade my stuff, y'all, you will know. I will keep you guys updated. But let's talk about where I'm coming from. So I went to Jagdas. You know, every now and then they have this nice thing that they do on Sundays. Once you're listed, free entry, free food come around the clock. Like, you don't even have to eat your Sunday. Well, like, I'm not gonna tell you that eat your Sunday dinner before you go there, but it was a pretty good vibe. By the way, Jamaica is having a cold front, and Jamaica is really, really chilly. Outside is great, so that's why you see me in this jacket. Like, outside is chilly, guys. The wind is crazy. Like, it's a cold front outside. Let's just say that. So, like, when I was at a party, like, there's so many people dressing long sleeve in jacket because outside is really that cold. Like, yo, outside was so cold. Like, I'm there doing this in the party, like putting my hands in the pocket, and I'm like, yeah, But anyways, I wanted to show you guys, but I can't even stand up and show you guys. So the tripod that I'm using is so tiny, so it doesn't listen. But this jeans thing that I got from probably Fashion Nova, the jeans dress and the jacket, I don't know where I got this from. I don't know. Yo, I think I got it from my in-law. Yeah, I got it from my in-law, the jacket. But yeah, but that's the update that's happening today, guys. Like, anyways, I do have like a nice exciting video that I want to do. And I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna attempt to do it this week. I'm gonna have to do it in the night, but it's good. I'm gonna have to wear makeup. Like, I don't want to do the makeup though. Anyways, I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's just the rant for today. Tomorrow is Monday. We have let me tell you the time. Oh wow, it's moving. It's 10 to 12. So yeah, I'm gonna change off, get ready for bed, prepare myself for bed, and I'll see you guys, I don't know, in another day when I decide to vlog. I do have like probably 2 vlogs that I need to edit to put it out before this one. But yeah, bring it to phone, don't worry. We gonna work on it. Just don't want to spend our money. Like, why do I have to spend my money for a phone? Like, a phone should be given to me. Shouldn't it, right? Or let me know. Do a phone should be given to me? Like, why should I buy a phone that's in my pocket? Like, it's 150,000 Jamaican dollars. It's like 800, 900. No, it's more like 1,000. Yeah, like 900, 800 and something dollars for the phone. Why do I gotta do that? Like, that can take me, that can bring me to Rio. Like, my phone can bring me to Rio Negril. I want to go to Rio Negril because they renovated the rooms and they have a swim out pool at Rio, like at Rio Negril. I want to go to Rio, like, and I gotta have, like, a vacation comes first though. I'm just saying, a vacation comes first. Just saying. I will book a flight and not have a phone, okay? Let me tell y'all that.